Monday. I'm going to show you how to put up some corn. It's the way that I do it. It works fantastic. I guess I've been doing this about 20 years now. It just makes it easy. So let me adjust the camera and I'll show you. Okay, first I just cut the end like that, and then I come up here and I go down off of the very end of it, just like that. I cut the very tip off, and then I only peel the first couple layers off of that, just like so. It'll look like that. Literally, I label a bag and I put it in here just like this, and this right here would be how I freeze it. They always have the little, we don't grow corn anymore. It always comes in when we're going on vacation. So I usually buy it when I see we have a garden, we have other things, but definitely I get it other places for sure when I get a chance. Anyway, like I said, here's the tip, and I go down because usually if it's going to be rotten from sitting where they have it and it's out in the heat, you know, and they picked it, so just peel away the outer little edge, be like that, slide it down in your bag. Another one. It's going to be like this. Dated, make sure the air's out. And when the air's out, you want to have it like this. You can fit 5 in there if you do it. Now, when I get this out of the freezer, I bring it out frozen. And it will be frozen. I run it under cold water and peel it back and then run my hand down it, and the stuff will come right off. Throw it in water, cook it 10 minutes, boom, done. Keeps well.